Xiaomi has already launched the 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max, but of course there's still one member missing from its latest flagship family, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. The 3C certification further confirms that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will support 100W wired charging as the Xiaomi 17 and Xiaomi 17 Ultra that Xiaomi offers globally, just like the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and smaller Xiaomi 15 before it. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is expected to feature a large circular rear camera module. Xiaomi 17 Ultra brings some crazy hardware this time. Main sensor 50MP 1-inch new sensor from SmartSense. 50MP ultra-wide Samsung JN5. Periscope camera 50MP JN5 plus 200MP Samsung HPE. It's a dual telephoto solution like on Pura 80 Ultra. One past rumor claimed it would support a 6.85-inch LTPO OLED screen with 2K plus resolution and symmetrical bezels on all sides, bezels which will be thinner than any iPhones. Xiaomi 17 Ultra powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB UFS 4.1 storage. DCS stated that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will have two versions, and while both will have camera setups with the same sensor and lens technologies, the higher-end model will come with some revolutionary imaging features. Also expected to hit the market in early 2026, pricing speculated to start around 6,000 yuan. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.